Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanna show you how to make this awesome looking login page. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with it. So first thing first, we will make a new folder on our desktop, that is login. Inside that, we'll make a new folder which is images. Yes, and images. We'll copy out all the images. I will provide the link in description, and I'll copy it and paste in the images section, images folder. Yes, and I'll cut it out and I'll open the Atom text editor. Open the login folder in here. Now we will write index, make a new file index.html and CSS. We'll write styles.css, make a new file as, and I will make a new file again, that is index.js. I'll open Opera and we'll search for Bootstrap. Click on the first result, get started, and we'll copy the starter template. Yes, and we'll paste it in index.html and we'll delete all this, we don't need them, and we'll remove this hello world and we'll make our title as login. Now we will link our CSS file to it, comment it out CSS, and inside below that we will write as href should be CSS styles.css. What we will do is we'll go again on Opera and we'll search for Google Fonts and we'll type Poppins and we will select this 501 and we'll copy this link and we'll paste it in our Atom text editor. Just comment it out to make it easier to understand when you open it later. We will go to Opera again and we'll search for Font Awesome CDN. Yes, and we'll copy this HTML one, paste it below here. So inside the body tag, we'll make a new div, that is bg-image, and we'll insert a new tag, that is image. The source will be images/login.png, which is class bg, that is background, and about div as background-image, background-image. Now we'll make a new div below that. We'll write it as the class will be wave and the image source will be images/wave.png. The class will be, let's make it wave-image. Below that we'll again make a new div, that is sign in. This will be our biggest div in our HTML. Inside that we'll make a left side partition and one right side partition. So inside the left side we'll write images source, that is images/man.png. Below that we'll make a new div, that is right side. Inside that we'll make a form, actually your sign in form. Delete all this and we will write the name for accessing the JavaScript. So the h1 will be sign in, and below that we'll make a new div again and we'll not type the class. Let's go to Opera, cut it out, and let's go to Opera again and we'll search for fontawesome.com and then we will search for user. So you can see this last result on the first row. Let's click on start using this icon and we'll copy it and we'll paste it here. So yes, the input tag, which is class username 1, and we'll paste it out properly. Name will be, let's keep it user ID, and the value will be taken, so let's keep it blank. The placeholder should be enter your username, enter your name. Let's keep our E capital Okay, so we'll make a new div and we'll search for key, the first result, and we'll click on start using this icon and we'll copy it, paste it here. Yes, right, again input tag and the class will be password. Let's keep it password simple. Now let's make it one. We'll avoid confusion. Starting the password name will be pswrd, placeholder, enter your password. Yes, please small, enter your password, and we'll make it your username, do capital, will look nicer. So we'll end our div here. Below that we'll make a new button, that is submit. Class will be sign in button and the type will be submit. We'll make it submit here. And on click function, it's not basically function, it's action behavior. On click check this dot form. Yes, the value will be login. Let's keep it login and we'll remove the name. Yes, and we'll write inside that a sign in, which will be displayed on our desktop. So we are done with the form. Now we'll make a new paragraph tag or login with. Below that we'll need to add some social media icons. We start with anchor tag and we'll give the class a class. href will be https, will be Google, let's make it facebook.com. Inside that we will again go to Opera and we'll search for Facebook. So we will click on second one and again click on start using this icon. We'll copy it and we'll paste it here. We'll make it FA1, yes, and we'll copy it down and we'll paste it below 2 times. Now we'll write instagram.com, Instagram, and it will be twitter.com. Yes, class will be fa-facebook and fa, right? Yes, fa-facebook, and we'll make it, we'll change it to Instagram and Twitter, remember that, we'll do it later. Now we'll write body tag overflow x hidden, which is important because we only want that login page, and also we'll keep our y to be hidden. Don't want this scroll bar, right? Now we'll access the background dash image. The height will be 100 view height, width will be 100 view width, position should be absolute, z index will be -5, let's give it -5, and now we'll access the that is background and the height will be 100%, width will be 100%. Yes, now below that we'll access a new class wave. The position will be absolute, the z index will be 0, from bottom it will be -4%. Yes, and yes, pause the video and read all this. Sign in and left side. From left side the image will access the image tag. The width will be 110%, the height will be 100%. Yes, transition will be 0.5 seconds. And from when the left side is hovered, the image will change, will transform it. Basically the properties of the image will change. It will scale it by 1.1. So it will be basically multiplied by 0.1. Position will be absolute, the right will accessing the right side. Now the width will be 400 pixels and the text align will be center. Background will be, let's keep it transparent, yeah, transparent will do it, and the height will be 400 pixels. I'll copy this out and we'll paste it below here. We'll access the h1 tag through it from margin, the top from margin top should be 30 pixels. The color will be white, that is hashtag FFFF. We'll copy the right side and we'll access the input tag through it. From margin left, let's keep it margin, and it will be 15 pixels, 25 pixels, 00 comma. Width will be 250 pixels, height will be 40 pixels, and border radius should be 30 pixels, and background, yeah, let's keep it background, hashtag EEEE, which will be the color inside that, and the border radius, padding will be from left will be 45 pixels, letter spacing will be 0.5 pixels, transition all .4 seconds, right side input is to focus, and we'll focus on it. The border should be 1 pixel solid and the color should be green. I'll copy it and paste it below here. Input is to valid solid black, yes. Now let's access the right side. FAS, that is our icons, social media icons. We'll transform it, we'll translate it, basically translate X, that is 35 pixels, and we'll access the sign in button through it, that is with 250 pixels, height will be 40 pixels, letter spacing will be 3 pixels, border will be 1 pixel solid, and the color will be black. The color will be white here and the background will be black. Border radius will be 29 pixels. Margin top, no, let's keep margin bottom will be 30 pixels, same as margin top, and we'll copy it and it's forward. Background will be black, color will be hashtag FFFF. Box shadow will be 0 pixel, 45 pixels and 0 pixels, and we'll make it RGBA, that is 0.75. Okay, we'll access the right side and we'll access the para p tag, that is color, will make it white color, that is login with. We'll access the first icon, that is Facebook. I'll change the background color to this color, and the foreground color will be a hashtag white, that is hashtag FL, that is white color. Height will be 40 pixels, width will be 40 pixels, border radius will be 30 pixels, padding left should be 10 pixels. Let's keep the transition to 0.5 seconds, and the margin right, let's keep margin right to 10 pixels. I will copy it out and paste it 2 times for the 2 icons. FA2, and let's change the color. For Instagram, that is A1306C, and for Twitter it is, let's make it FA3, and for Twitter it is 1DA1F2. let's make it caps. Okay, let's make it caps, 1DA1F2. I'll copy it and I'll paste it here. It's to hover, curly braces, box shadow, 005 pixels, hashtag 426782, comma 025 pixels, hashtag 426782, 50 pixels, 426782, comma and 100 pixels, hashtag 426782. I'll copy and paste it below here. FA2 is to hover. E13066 and I'll copy it below here. We'll make it FA3 is to hover. The box shadow, let's paste it here. Let's copy this color. Okay, let's copy it and we'll paste it here. Yes, cancel it out. Now we'll go into the JavaScript. Right side function, we'll check it. We'll inside it that is login, which is the form, and inside the curly braces we'll write all our code. Right, basically if else statement, if login.userid.value is equals to, let's keep it Facebook, and login.password.value is equals to Instagram. Let's give it Instagram. Window.open https google.com. Yes. Else alert the user that wrong user name or password. Let's give it all wrong username or password. Yes, we are done with our JavaScript. It's an exclamation marks, and we'll save all our files. Now we'll copy the full path of the index.html. I'll paste it in our Chrome. So look guys, we got what we wanted. You can access all this. Facebook and Instagram will take us to google.com. You can see all this hovering buttons which are having some glowing effects to it, and click on them, you go through that particular website. So like, share and subscribe my channel for more awesome videos.